set my heart afire.
Hey guys, what is going on? And welcome back to VroomVroomDana, man. You guys see from the start of the video, we got our suspension dialed, man. We headed down to TBT, and I'll talk about it a little bit more in a minute. We're gonna do a little bit of suspension testing, but we're out here at Kauai MX track, man. Actually, quite a bit of people out today. Weather is prime, a little bit of wind, conditions are a little bit dry, but it's gonna be sick. Got my girl Gina. Like I said, you guys, here it is. We got the YZ250F out. Finally got the suspension done since we bought the bike. You can see we got the whole front dialed up by TBT Racing. We got a whole new like shock we got to customize. We got to set up for my weight. We got a new rear spring that was a little bit heavier because the one that was on it was a little bit soft. You could tell the bike's already a mess. We already went out for a couple laps, tested out the track, but it's gonna be fun, man. Let's head out there. All right, let's get out here on the vet track and do a little rippy rip. Oh! You good? So yeah, guys, I mean, we're out here with the YZ250F. I've been wanting to get some suspension work done on this bad girl. My buddy actually works down at TBT in Corona, so when it came to getting like suspension work, I wanted to go with somebody I knew, and you know, it's always cool to go to a friend who does stuff like that. We took the YZ250 there before the desert bike and had the suspension set up for the desert. I wanted this bike set up for more like GP track stuff. So I headed down to TBT. I've only made probably about 10 laps so far, but man, what a freaking day. If you've never had suspension work done before in your life, it is hands down the #1 thing you could do to a bike, man. It's up there with like getting a pipe. It's up there with like getting good tires that you like. It makes your riding so much better, man. It improves your riding. You feel like you go faster. It's dialed for your weight. If you just go on Craigslist and buy a bike, I guarantee you that it's not set up for your weight. So it's super cool to have a bike that's set up for that. But I mean, I'm stoked to be out here today. If you guys ever need suspension work, if your forks seals are blown out, like I like to do all the time because I like to crash a lot, if your fork seals are blown out, if you need suspension work, if you want to get it dialed, and you're kind of local to TBT, just look it up. You type it on Google. It's in Corona, California. Head down there, man. Mention VroomVroomDana. You'll get a discount. Also, they'll hook you up with a good price, and I promise you that you will love your bike more than you ever have before. Want to see the best part about this track out here? This is hands down the coolest part about the track out here is they have all these hills in the back you could go shred on also if you wanted to. Duro life real quick, you know? It's a pretty good log actually, probably, I don't know, 8 inches maybe a foot. Oh, got a little sideways off it. What is life? We're gonna do this little course back here, and we're gonna see how we do. There's a little, we saw it last time we came out here. Last time I came out, I didn't record or anything. This is perfect to test my suspension and get a little bit quicker in the stuff I need to get quicker in. It goes through the trees, it gets tight, it gets whooped out. It's freaking sick through here. So we're gonna follow these course markings and we're gonna see where this thing leads off to. Why Gina's not with me, it's because we got back to the truck, figured out there's no oil in the bike seized up. So RIP 150. Our prayers are with you, but Gina's dirt bike might be out, so I'm trying to convince her to get a new bike. So send her a message or something and be like, obviously you got to get a new bike now. So I feel like that's the only option. Why fix something when you could get something new? Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I like to see. This is more of our riding right here. I mean, the track is dope, but we're enduro riders for life, son. Oh, this is so sick. This is so sick. I hope there's a way out. I think there is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was so sick. I love riding stuff like that, man. What do you guys prefer? Comment down below. Do you guys like track riding? Or do you like that enduro riding or that little woods single track riding? What do you guys prefer when you go out, man? I'm interested to know and see what tickles your fancy. Let's get a clean lap in on the main track. After that, a little enduro practice. I think we need to come out here and put together like at least a decent lap, I would say. Kids are fast out here on the tracks, man. Oh my god. sketchy lap of the main right there. Oh, it's only like my third complete lap, so it got a little sketchy, but you guys get the gist of it, you know? I mean, my arms are tied, I got a blister going on. It was a little sketchy, but at least we hit everything and made it around. What's the matter? You don't want to ride, or are you good? You're just taking a break? Like all day?
Yeah.
Oh, like a week break, or?
Maybe like a month.
Just take a quick monther? Yeah. Understandable. Guys, what is going on? Welcome to the second day. We were at the track yesterday, but the GoPro decided to act up and die, and we got no more track footage. What else happened during that day? Gina blew her bike up, blew the 150 up. I had it on video, but the audio didn't record, so that day got super cut short. Today's video is going to be separate from yesterday's video, but now we're just like, screw it, let's combine the two. Me and Noelle are on a little road trip to drop the 2011 YZ250. Insert sad music here because it's going to be gone forever. So we're headed out right now. We got a journey ahead of us, and we're going to take it out there to Doobie, which, Doobie, that's a pretty wicked name. So we're gonna meet Doobie himself. We'll see how he acts on camera. But we're gonna go out there. We're gonna drop the bike off to him. Hopefully he's pretty stoked about the bike, and that's kind of our agenda right now. Out here, straight boonies in the middle of nowhere. It's crazy. This is nothing. I thought we were gonna be down a dirt road. You tired?
Yeah, it's a long drive.
Boom, bro. Check her out, sit on her, man. There you go.
I don't know. It's pretty big. I didn't think it was that big.
It's fine once you're riding it, you'll fit. What'd you get, man? What'd you order?
A sweater.
Oh, you got a sweater?
I have it on.
Oh, you do? Heck yeah. That's legit.
Hey.
Look at your bike, dude. It's bigger than you.
I don't know, dude.
Hey, dude, don't
Dude,
Hey,
I won't put you on the spot. If you don't want to ride right now, I won't put you on the spot.
No, you gotta ride it right. You
gotta ride it. You gotta like that.
Hey! I gotta get a text in a week like this fool hurts himself on it.
You don't know how many times he ate it on that one.
Wait, where's this bike right now?
Oh, the other dude had
The TTR?
Yeah.
So he's got a TTR and then he has a YZ250. Yeah. Oh, he tiptoes. He tiptoes. He's good. Yeah, of course.
It's autograph time, my dude.
What are these 100% goggles?
Yeah, you can't sign that.
Ugh, these are gross.
That thing gonna wash off.
Found my body.
Send the jacket.
There, do a boob sign. Here, get on there. Get your name on there. That looks terrible.
I told you my signature's bad.
Look at those goggles, though, dude. I'm just saying. Look at those over there. Ugh, look at these.
This is the anthem. Told the world I need everything and some. Yeah, 2 girls, that's a tandem. She gon' do it all for me when them bands come. Got it all, yeah, I'm young, rich, and handsome.